I'm Shawn Spratt, the production manager here at APSCO. Being the production manager, I'm over the plant and production. I oversee 3 different areas: the shipping receiving area, the assembly area, and the components area. About a total of 80 employees. The morning meeting, we go over our safety. First off, to make sure there's no safety incidents, anything we can prevent from the day before, anything prevent in the future. And then we go over to quality, any quality defects that our customers are seeing, anything we can solve now, anything that we can prevent from happening, so we can have a good quality product.
I think one of the best things about APSCO is our commitment to quality and continuous improvement. We have a lot of very detailed processes that we follow, myself included. It's what drives us, always wanting to be better. My role here as a production manager is to make the lives of everyone on the floor a little easier. I think when people feel supported, they enjoy what they do and the people they work with. They want to come to work and give it their all. And that's a win for us as a company and for our customers.